Good morning, dear viewers. James Braithwaite here, and you join me as I'm just soon to be enjoying a takeaway curry. Right, here's the naan and a lamb dupieza combined with they've had long enough. With some chips and onion rings. Just add them to the bed there. And this is just 2-minute ping rice. Pilau, of course. So we can add that on there. Like so. Okay. There's the classic half and half arrangement. And we just, after this, there'll be a bit of grease on the top of this, so I'm going to siphon that off a little. Okay. Perfect. Lovely. Dupieza, and we'll just pour that on top of said chips and rice, like so. What the hell, let's have the lot. Let's save those onions for a side dish later. And we've got the naan. So, perfect. So it's literally a curry half and half. Half homemade, half takeaway. So if you'll excuse me a second, just a little side plate for the naan now. And there we go. Thank you for joining me this morning, and I will see you in the next one. Yeah.